What's up everybody, in this video I will show you how to fix sound problem on Messenger. So, directly you go and open the settings of your device, click on apps option here and search for Messenger and click. Right now you need to scroll this list down, click storage and click clear cache. Go back now, click on force stop and click OK. Directly move to Play Store or App Store and update Messenger. Restart here right now your phone and that's all.